Hello. You like the 80s mix? If you don't, you should get here early and make your recommendation. The 80s mix was actually recommended, not because, only because Western college studies, but you know, I enjoy a good 80s song. A good 80s party, a good 80s. I'm going to do this on the note queue for just a second while I intro what it is that we're doing today. First of all, was everyone able to travel safely back to campus? Stories about someone stuck somewhere? Well, who traveled the furthest? Out of the country? Yeah. Montana. I'm so sorry. I was carrying on. Over. It was a good meeting, though. Right? My husband and I were talking about that. You fly or drive?
We took a bus to Sioux Falls and we flew out of Sioux Falls because of
Do you fly commercial?
charter.
They do charter. I wondered that. And then could you trust them to spill all your gear underneath and that they really forget anything?
No, it worked out well. Everything was okay. It was only 2.5 hours, so very like a 16-hour drive.
Yeah. Well, it was a bummer, but we're proud of you. Way to go. How about our other athletes? Anyone else travel? How about our runners in the room? How'd you do?
Went to Omaha.
You went to Omaha?
Yeah, we won our first cross country.
Wonderful. Congratulations. How'd you do? How'd you do?
I got 4th overall.
Yeah.
Musa. Jeff won the race.
Jeff Menley, Bedford. Nice job. Anyone else travel? Any other groups? Not only our athletes. How'd you do?
We were 0-3.
0-3. All right. You know, darn North Dakota, Montana.
We got Arkansas this weekend.
That's right.
We got Arkansas.
Get it out of your system. We'll be 3-0 next time.
Exactly.
All right. Nice job. Any other announcements? I fielded quite a few emails from students about the D12 navigation assignment and the annual bag speech. And just to clarify, if I haven't gotten back to you, it's because I've been really busy this morning, and I'll get back to my email over my lunch hour. But your speeches are in your lab this week, not in lecture, in labs. Some of you have already given your speeches, right? You see? And you report. It was good? Yeah, it wasn't that bad, wasn't it? I think that's Courtney, right? I think Courtney said it wasn't that bad. Jeremy, Elena, have you heard any speeches yet?
I have not.
Nope, I will tomorrow.
Okay.
Well, they're not that bad. Very good. No, I'm sure they're great. The D12 navigation assignment, I actually just looked on D12. I need to post some welcome notes from last week, and I will do that as well for my noon hour. Jeremy, bug the heck out of me. Make sure that I get that done, will you?
For what again?
The note from last week where I explained exactly how to do question number 5. That was kind of mind-boggling to people.
Okay.
I won't do it. I'll explain it out loud. But if you have still questions about that, hang around afterwards. We can talk you through that. Jeremy and Elena can talk you through that. I want you to get 100%. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. No gauge. So the D12 navigation assignment is due this Friday. If you uploaded an erroneous document, and you have the number 5 wrong, you can upload a new document. That's no big deal. And then the quiz. I'm a little nervous because we're starting the quiz today. In fact, we'll see how this goes. So there's a clicker quiz, or as of right now, the quiz is open in D12. And so, are you on D12 right now? Are you on Facebook? Good. Yeah. They're trying to sell you up. Anyhow, the quiz is up in D12. If you choose to take the quiz through D12, you have until 5 o'clock on Friday. It's a 10-question quiz. You have 1/2 an hour and 1 attempt. Okay? The quiz is taken from a jumble of questions that we've developed for Chapter 1 and Chapter 7. And it's a quiz. It's a multiple choice quiz. So if you're in here and you don't have a clicker, I'm not going to personalize me. You should see me on Thursday with your clicker, and we'll get you caught up to speed. I've already talked to a couple of you who said, I don't have my clicker today. You know what? By Thursday, we'll get these wrinkles ironed out, and I'll make these same 5 questions available to you on Thursday. So yeah, that is your reward for coming to class, because it is darn hot in here, and I am long winded. Okay, so let's do it this way. I'm going to tell you what we're going to talk about today. I've already got on the default navigation assignment, the yellow bag. We have a discussion about chapters 1 and 7. I have the quiz in class and a speech of the day. Okay, you're going to hear from Don Imus and Maya Angelou today, and then we'll have a full play. I'm going to give you the quiz and see how you do. And then I'm going to allow you to listen to the notes, and you have to take some notes. I'm going to give you the quiz again. Okay? Does that sound fair? No reason you shouldn't ace this quiz. Plus, this is my chance to see how this quiz goes. All right? Here we go, folks. Here we go. Quiz today is 5 questions. If you don't have your clicker, that's all right. Here's the first question. Can you read that in the back? No. See, I'm demoing this quiz. So, I'll make the font bigger. Boy, that's terrible, isn't it? Okay, so the question is, be quiet, I'll read you the question. Hang on one second, I'll get right to you. Communicatively speaking, this picture represents a fire, smoke, an indexical sign, or an iconic sign. Now, what was your question?
How do you channel it again?
How do you channel? It's channel, 41 channel. And then, yep, 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and 4 is D. Right? That would make sense. Together. And now right now some of you are thinking, what the heck is an indexical sign? Okay, no. Ready for quiz number 2. Question number 2 in 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Wow, there are 120 clickers in here. Next question. Exigence is what? It's an urgent communicative matter. It's management of a communication issue by using an appropriate message. Exigence is an emergency, or exigence is a communicative misbehavior. Jeremy and Lana, you got these down? You know? You bet.
You have to.
Ready? What? Isn't that cool? Very cool.
Do we have to channel it every time? Answer a question?
You should not have to channel it every time.
What's in me on?
What's that?
I'll do that.
You get it? What's the answer to that?
What do you mean?
Wait, because you were having trouble
Oh,
clicking
it
it?
just means it's like 11 and it was like coming on.
We'll be able to fly through these quicker and quicker. Okay. Some of you are still hanging out there wondering what this is. It's 10, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1. Really? Some of you are not going to respond? An occasion, the speaker, the audience, and the speech are all critical elements of which of the following? A rhetorical situation, the situation, rhetoric, don't mispronounce that rhetoric, rhetoric, or the public forum. The occasion, the speaker, the audience, and the speech. The occasion, the speaker, the audience, and the speech are all critical elements of A, the rhetorical situations, B, the situation, C, rhetoric, or D, the public forum.